Hello, this is Clark. I have two globes here. Which one do you like? This is our ordinary globe, with the blue ocean and colorful line clearly printed. But the manufacturing process is to print on a layer of plastic film first, and then stick it on a sphere, which may contain glue plasticizers, etc. This is our new globe, with colorful land, spectral light protection, color matching, UV printing technology, no eye damage, and no plasticizers. It is thoughtfully equipped with a time capsule and a compass. The time capsule can write letters to your future self. The compass can better find the direction on the map. Follow me to learn more about modern luxury globes.